What's happening here? What's happening? Players hit, let him out. We're playing a triple cap game. So red team and blue team are trying to cap in 3 places. This is blue's final cap right here. And now they have to guard it until time runs out. Yes, sir. Oh, you're blue? Okay. I didn't see the blue on you. As you hear, we have 5 minutes left. Blue team has capped their flag. Red team is trying to cap theirs currently.
How many lives do they have?
4, one they come in with, plus 3 spawns.
There's a sniper over there.
I know, I saw him. He's
Team of blue guarding the flag. Apparently red flag is down at the moment. You guys need a 5 count? And there's red with their flag. They still need to cap it into the fort and then make it to the center post and cap it there. Players hit, let him up. Now here comes the hard fight. Nice. So they've capped in the North Fort. They're currently trying to take it to the 2nd floor of that building to cap it. Once they get it capped in there, they can take it to the middle post. I'm gonna stay over here with the flag. I'm gonna move away because he's using.
Hey, I need cover fire on that tower!
Players hit, let him up. Come on, don't overshoot. Hey, burst that trigger. Burst that trigger, man. Don't lay on him again like that. You ate him up. Good shot, but don't eat him up like that, please.